Okay, all done. Don't forget to take your flu shot. Oh, doctor, that reminds me of a question. You see the vaccination and the shot them? Is it true that it's really the bug and the disease that you're putting in our bodies? Very good question. In order for the body to fight the antibodies of a particular disease, it must first recognize that disease. So, yes or no? I can't answer yes or no. How you mean? You're not named doctor? Yes, I am, but ma'am, it's not that simple. Of course it's simple. Then it's yes. Because if I know you, that's a no. Make I tell you something. I am not taking the flu shot. Or no keep on no shot. Or no keep on no vaccination disease niggle to no self. You know see me there in my old age. A sick uno want sick me up and a kill me off before time. How much people come inside here want get better and a sick uno want sick them? But see ya. But flu shot. No make me tell you no where for fling that they shot there. I couldn't see us. I couldn't see us. See me lose my hat, yeah.